How to disassemble and reassemble a micro Draco. First, you want to check the weapon and make sure that there's no ammunition in it. So you want to make sure and check that it's clear. It's clear. Next thing you want to do is you want to take this piece off right here, push in. Take out the dust cover. The dust cover pops right off. This is your spring. Push you in. Pull that out. All right. All right. It is. Now let's reassemble it. Okay. Now here comes the part where everybody messed up on. Okay. So to get the dust cover back on, you have to make sure that the dust cover is aligned with this little groove right here. And once you get it in the little groove, push up and push down so it can lock in place. Push up, push down. Yep, there it is. And that's it. It's a good piece of machinery right there. And that's how you disassemble and reassemble a micro Draco.